Ano may
May damit.
ilagay mo lang. Ibagsak mo lang dyan.
Oh, ito. Get your harvest. Go, get your harvest. Go, one each. Yan na, go, get your harvest. Put in the box. Wow. Wow. Yay! You did it! Again. Patay tayo dito sa again. Hanap ka. Ay, come on.
Oh, try, Sandy.
You try. Okay, tikas tayo. Hanap tayo ng malaki, Mike. This one, you want this one? Malaki-laki. Okay, one.
Kahit yung mga nalaglag sa lupa, okay pa yan eh. Kakalaglag lang yan eh.
Hindi na kaya ni At. Yan na, dun ka sa dulo. Come on. Okay. Okay, Ate will get. Ate will get. One, two. Sige, hila. Pull. Pull. Oh, very good. One more. Ate na. One more. This one, this one. One, two, three, go. Yay! Okay. Go, go. Get your mangoes. One.
Tapos benta natin sa ano palengke ng Maynila pagdating.
Dati nga doon nakasayad.
Pull ninyo lahat yan. Okay. The technique is you all scoop it up like that. Yan. And then you pull at once. Boom!
Oh!
Yay!
We got it!
You got it.
We got it!
May langga.
May langgam? May langgam? And
By this time.
ano, wag na lang kulay kasi manangat. Manangat yan.
Fire ants.
Fire ants. Ay, my, those are called fire ants. In real life. In real life.
In real life. This is real.
Anak, kami, back because you're fire ants. Uwi pa tayo.
Dude, there's a lot of fire. There's a lot of fire ants.
Go. You, among yourselves, kayong apat, go.
There's a lot of fire ants here.
I'll help you sa back. Ha?
For one there.
Which one? That one, the four one. Okay. Ready, steady, go! Yay!
Let's put them in the back. No, not
I don't think you can do that, Ate Sandy.
No, you cannot.
May ano, auntie? May...
There's ants.
Then you can tell the cousins, we actually got that from the tree. Using a sungkit. Hello. Okay, so again. Maghanap pa tayo ng malaki.
Give it in the... Again. Wait.
Dun sa kabila, boy. Maraming malaki, boy.
Look, Mama, here. There, oh.
Where?
Okay, it's a team effort.
Ah, it's a team effort. Come on, there.
Here,
I know
other
there.
side.
There are 5 more there, oh, malaki. May, dito tayo may sa side na to, ha?
This
Just
one?
over there. Dito, oh, yan, oh. Yan.
Yun? Wait, look how
See, wow! Okay, ready?
I'm too short for this one.
Ready, steady.
Let's go.
You pick it up. Ay, here, you come here. Come here, dito ka lang sa maliit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, we didn't get one.
We didn't get the other one. We'll get one more. We got one more, ha? Okay. This one. Oh, the ates. May, atras
Ano yan?
kayo, May.
Ito,
kayo
dito?
Sa likod.
Pangit ang lasa niyan. Pangit ang lasa niyan, tikman mo.
Ready, steady.
Mabaho.
Go! Ay, wait lang. Isa pa. May, dito kayo banda, May. Ate Sandy, you go here. Ate Sandy, dito kayo, ha? Tita Doc lang. Okay? Ready? Oh, wow! Success!
Happy. Again.
Again?
No, be careful, do it.
Ay, wala yan, May. Maganda to kasi walang fire ants.
Oh, let's go.
Here, go. Actually, masarap yan, Bless. Go, there. Put in the box.
I'll eat later.
Oy, wag masyadong ano, kukuha pa tayo nung matamis ha.
Tama yan.
Hinog.
Tama na, hapon.
Wow. Put in the box. Okay.
Four?
No, 3.
Tama na natin. Dami na.
Okay na. No, lagot kayo sa abin. Naadik. Dalawang mali.
Akala mo naman ang lalakas nila, no? Maghanap tayo ng ano.
Tama na yun. Sobrang na.
Nabebenta niyo yan, auntie?
Ano na nga eh. Lahat ng tao dito may mangga eh.
Ikaw, backwards ka.
Kahit yung ano nga, mura na, 20 na lang isang kilo.
Nang yung matamis. Kalabaw.
Oo.
Let's go do this one. O sige na, hila kayo. Hila naman. Kailangan natin ng strength. Kasi hindi ko kaya. One more. Kaya pa? Too high. One. No, it's not too high. One. Ready, steady, go! Yay! We did it! 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 How many did you get? Four? How many did you get?
That's enough.
O, tama na daw. Sabi ni daddy nyo, 1, 2, 3.
Saan sila ang
Did
talaga?
it! Yay!